Today, I'm all about the boss lady look, and if you want to learn how to achieve it, just keep watching. Time to prep our eyes. I'm using the Eyeshadow Primer Potion by Urban Decay. This is going to make our eyeshadow last longer, reduce the creases, and get a better color payoff. Don't forget the lower lash line. My best kept secret, sticky tape. Now apply the strip first to the back of your hand to remove any excess glue. Then, following your lower lash line, apply it to the outer corners of your eyes. You want to make sure both sides are even. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics palette. And taking this warm maroon color, I'm going to apply this to the crease area. Using a small fluffy brush, press slightly into your socket to locate your crease area. Don't forget to blend. Now, taking our darkest black, we are going to apply this to the outer V area. Using the same brush, we are going to slowly build the intensity of our look. This might take a while. Taking our palest pink and a packing brush, we are going to pat this onto the middle and inner corners of our eyes. Then, with a fluffy brush, blend out any harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend. To highlight, we are going to use the soft vanilla and apply it underneath our eyebrow. Remove the sticky tape. I know this looks crazy, but look at that clean edge. It's time for liner. And with my liquid liner, I'm just going to make small strokes, then retrace the line from the back to the front. Take your time with this. It can be a little tricky. Remember to use the guideline we created with our eyeshadow, and you'll get the perfect wing. Using the same maroon and a pencil brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line to balance out the look. Don't forget to connect it to the top lash line. Something's missing. Fake lashes, of course. This will give you that boss lady feel. Moving on to the face. It's time to contour. You want to look tough and determined. So selecting a darker color, I'm going to apply this to the hollow of my cheeks. Pucker up. Moving on to our jawline. Now don't overdo it. You want it to look natural. Now because the other side of my forehead is covered by my hair, I'm just going to do it on this side. And don't forget to contour your nose. Now with a clean, fluffy brush, blend away the harsh lines of your contour. You want it to look as natural as possible. Perfect. Now our lips. Apply a lip balm to make sure you have hydrated and smooth lips. Now I'm going to apply a red lipstick. Using a lipstick brush, make sure to outline the contour of your lips. You don't want this to look too harsh. Now just add lip gloss. I think today we're going to be using a darker blush. Smile to locate the apples of your cheeks. Don't forget your bling, and you're ready to take over the world. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!